invite one of you to come play with us. We're like a volunteer. You don't have to say a word. You do not have to say a single word.
That's kind of how we volunteer.
Hey! So I've got two actors on stage. This game is called Sound Effects. And what is your name? Randy. Hello. Nice to meet you. Randy is going to provide the sound effects for this scene. So
it's a very loud microphone.
Normally I would say hold it right up here, but it might catch you from like across the room.
It will catch your breath.
So if I could have you stand over here. You are going to provide all of the sound effects for the scene that these gentlemen are going to do. So to give you a little bit of practice, if Kris were to slam a door, it might sound like. Very nice. If Pierce were to strangle a chicken, it might sound like. Nice.
That was really good. We heard that sound.
So as you're going through the scene, find any sound effects that they may need. Well, we're also just like to mess with them a little bit. So if you just want to throw in random sounds that they have to figure out, that works too. So to get them something to go on, what is something that comes up in your dreams?
Strangling a chicken.
That's after.
Something that you dream about.
Men.
Good.
What did you say? Zombie men. Awesome. So this scene has to do with zombie men.
Dream about
Sound effects. In 3, 2, and 1.
Do it again. Hit it. Hit it. The zombies are coming. Get in the house. Don't worry, the door's not locked. It's okay. All right, we're gonna have to let me slam the shut. All right, we're gonna have to hold them off. I've got my shotgun. It's got a hair trick. You got rubber bullets in that thing? I do now. I got the 6 shooters. Hair trigger as well. All right, the door's right behind us. That was probably a bad choice. All right, so we're gonna have to make sure that we got out this window. Let me pull these drapes open. It's windy outside. We're gonna shut those drapes. Oh, the zombies love wind. They're wind zombies? Yes. You didn't see. It was on the radio. Let me see if I can turn it on for you. No, it's broken. Okay, I'll just tell you what the story was. We have no power. There's no electricity. Oh, let me set this shotgun down. We're gonna have to make our own electricity. We're gonna have to rub these balloons together. Let me blow it up. That was the fastest balloon I've ever blown. All right, put on your wool sweater. That's so suave of you. All right, we're gonna have to rub this together. Ready? There's a dog behind me. I don't know where he came from. I'm gonna use him. He sticks! Okay. All right, now that we've got this charged balloon, I'll put it next to the TV and see if we can tune it in. Pop the balloon. All right. Look, no. Oh, they're coming. No, they're not. Oh, yes, they are. I don't know what they're doing. Centaur zombies. Centaur zombies. That black hole came through. Yes, and the arrows with the sticky tips. That's what it sounded. They're shooting sticky arrows. I'm hit. Oh. I'm hit again. Oh, well, pull it out. You're bleeding.
I don't want to go this way. I always wanted to say.
Never before have zombie centaurs. All right, thank you very much for your sound effects. That were fantastic. And note to performers, don't ever put a closed door 3 feet behind you in front of the stage. It kind of limits where you can go. So it's note, if you got to take notes at home, go ahead and put that down. This next game is called Emotional Roller Coaster. During this game, David and Kelsey will be performing a scene for you guys. I'll have emotions written down on this whiteboard, given to me by you guys. And throughout the scene, I'll be on the microphone and I'll call out these emotions, and they're going to have to instantly take on that emotion and justify why they're being that way in the scene. It's kind of fun. This is what we do. So, I'm hitting the cylinders today. So since we've got so many of you, you guys are going to have to work overtime and give us some emotions. Feel free to shout them out.
Manic.
Manic. Whoa. Is that what you said?
Yeah, same thing.
Whoa.
Same thing.
Jealousy.
Tennessee. Jealousy. Okay. Lust. Happier.
Hungry.
Hungry. That's always your favorite thing. My emotion of hungry. I forget the R. All right.
Nauseous.
Nauseous. That's my favorite emotion. I write that in all my greeting cards, actually. Nauseous. Angry.
Fearful.
Fearful. An actual emotion. Suave.
Coffee.
Cocky.
Yeah, I would say that.
Pissed.
What? Pissed? Past. All right.
Annoyed.
Annoyed.
Frustrated.
Frustrated. Oh, you guys are commenting.
How long is this scene?
It's good enough. We're good. Sorry, I was in my elements. All right. So for this scene, ma'am, do you have any hobbies? Yes, you do. You're shaking your head. I mean, nodding it. So what is your hobby?
Guitar, but that's not funny.
Guitar. Does it? We make it. That's all right.
Okay.
Guitar's not funny. Yes, they are. They are funny. I play one. You should hear me play. It's hilarious. All right, guitar. The scene will have something to do with the guitar. It's going to begin neutral. I will call out the emotions when we're going on. In 3, 2, and 1.
So I'm ready for my first lesson.
Okay, first you're going to need a guitar. Here.
Oh.
I don't really know how you hold a guitar.
How do I hold the guitar?
Ask her, it's her hobby. It's really simple. You put your hand out like this there, and you hold this up underneath the big part of it. There, and then you have the A string, B string, and the G string.
Fearful.
I'm scared of G strings.
I am too. They frighten me. They scare me. I can't handle a G string. Especially if I'm wearing it.
Nauseous.
Oh, that just, the visual of you handling it.
It's not that bad. I
Oh, yeah, it
shaved
is.
before I
Oh.
put it on. Oh. Even my initials are shaved into my back.
Jealousy.
I bet you wish you had a hairy back. There you go. You
do.
don't.
I do. I just.
Run
I
your
wish.
hands through it.
Oh, I can't. I have this.
Suave.
Because I use Suave shampoo.
I mean, you look very nice with all the hair.
I think I look fetching. It's very southern, isn't it? I think I look debonair.
Manic.
You do look debonair. No, I hate your Yes, you do. I hate you. No, I love you. No, I hate your back. I love your back. I want your back. No.
Annoyed.
This is getting on my nerves. I don't know if I'm going to be able to teach you the guitar or not. Because you're really getting on my last nerve.
Well,
Happy.
I just really wanted to spend time with you. Whether or not we learn to play the guitar is okay. I just love being with you.
I love being with you too. I love this whole Disney-esque kind of relationship we have going.
It is nice, isn't it?
Cocky.
It's awesome. But
I mean, lucky you to be hanging out with me.
yeah, that's it. I think I'm got the bigger breast in this group.
Excuse me? You know how much I paid for these? You will not diss me.
You had a baby, and God, I would love some milk.
I want to bite your face.
Yeah, about that.
Frustrated.
I don't think you can. I mean,
Why not?
don't get me wrong. I mean, I would love for you to, but it just kind of bothers me.
Are you serious right now?
It is serious. Don't do this to me.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa, dude. Hold the guitar.
Woe.
There you
Woe
go.
to thee, my teacher.
Lust.
Ooh. Verily, verily, I say unto thee.
Let's see.